Hello and welcome to the CCD Guide video tutorial Object Marker, Object Viewer. With the Object Marker, images can be solved via astrometry.net. Within the Object Marker, the Object Viewer can be started, with which a labeled image can be viewed and with which the coordinates of selected positions can be read and an internet search can be performed. For the use of Object Marker, an internet connection is required. Object Marker can be started from CCD Guide in the browser or the Planner tab. After starting Object Marker for the first time, the following message appears. Since Object Marker uses the service astrometry.net for the plate solving, you have to get an API key from astrometry.net first. This is a one-time step that is only required when Object Marker is started for the first time. To do this, open the Options menu item and the Options window will open. We are currently only interested in the area at the bottom right with the title Web Services. Please click on the link to the right of Get API Key. This opens the login page of astrometry.net in the browser. Please select the method with which you would like to identify yourself at astrometry.net. After successful login, select the API tab. There you will find a line My API Key. Copy and paste this API key into the corresponding field of the still open Options window. Then you can close the window with OK and the unique API key process is finished. Now the actual image will be solved and a successful solving process is indicated in the output window with the green text. Now we want to label the image by clicking on the View button. A short time later a new window, the Object Viewer, opens, which displays the labeled image. In both Object Marker and Object Viewer, settings for labeling can now be made. Within Object Marker, you can change the filters from the All selection to, for example, Prime ID, to display only the names of the master objects. You can also select or deselect individual catalogs. After you have made the settings, click the View button again to update the labels. To adjust font sizes, colors, grid lines and so on, for the View image, open the menu item Options in Object Marker. When Object Marker is opened from CCD Guide, the file name is already inserted. A second method is to select the file using the File button. The following query window may appear. Enter the desired object name, then click the Enter key or the Find button so that the coordinates are filled automatically. After leaving the window with OK, click the button Solve in Object Marker and after 1 to 2 minutes, the image should be solved by astrometry.net and you can open the labeled image by clicking on the button View. The images used by Object Marker and the image created by Object Viewer are stored in the folder Object Tools Images, together with the Astrometric solution file. At the end of this tutorial I want to show another useful feature within Object Viewer, Invoke Internet Research. With this option activated, move the cursor to a desired object in the image and the internet browser is automatically started with the preferred internet object database after a 1.5 second mouse click. For detailed information and more features of Object Marker and Object Viewer, please read the manual.